I have a list of values in column A that I would like to see in reversed order. I will show you two options how it can be done. So first one is using helper column. So I will add numbers for each row and then we'll simply select my table, go to data, sort by column B and order it from largest to smallest. Now I have my column A in reversed order. Second option is using offset function, where A1 will be my base, so I will make it absolute reference, and I will be moving by number of rows, so I will count all rows with values in column A minus my current row, which is row 1, and I don't want to move by any column, so I will put there 0. Now I have there my last value of column A, and if I copy down the formula, I will have whole column in reversed order. Now let me also show you how to do it with values in the columns. So here we will use exactly the same logic and same functions. So offset starting will be again 81, but here I will have 0 because I don't want to move by any row, but instead I want to move by number of columns. So I will count values in row 1 minus column that I'm currently in. I will close the bracket and just copy formula to the right. Now I have it in reversed order. Hope you like it.